Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a super quick one, but one which will help to improve your crochet skills and just take them to the next level. And today I'm going to show you the knotless starting chain. So I have just done my foundation chain and a row of double crochets, which is single crochet in the US. And as you can see here, the foundation chain looks really nice and neat, and we don't have that bulky knot at the beginning just here, which makes it perfect when you're adding borders and things, because you don't have that bulkiness in the corner when it comes to adding the stitches. So I'm going to show you how we do this knotless starting chain. First of all, what you want to do is make a loop in your starting chain like so, and you want to go ahead and place your hook in there. Now you want to hold your yarn how you would normally, and you want to go ahead and pinch that fold in the yarn and then just start to chain. So just chain as you would normally, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. Once you have built that, you can then go ahead and just pull on the yarn slightly. Don't pull too tight because we want to keep that as a loose chain. And now we have 1, 2, 3 chains, and you can go ahead and continue with the amount of chains that you like. So from here you can work into your stitches. So I'm going to add those double crochets back in again so that you can see. And then if I go into the very last chain just here, there we have that really nice, neat finish to our work. So as I say, this is a really quick one today. I really hope that you have enjoyed it and enjoy giving it a go. If you did, don't forget to leave me a comment in the comment section. Like this video, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.